The next generation front face evolves, wider and more dynamic. The feeling of protection and presence is multiplied. The deeply sculpted side reveals a core of solidity and at the same time give it a dramatic look of distinction. The new rear design is really iconic with signature, T-shaped tail light and the new sculpture hexagon motif.
Exciting styling captures its robust strength. The 20-inch wheels are a first for Mitsubishi cars and at the top of the segment in size. The all-new Outlander is now also wider, further reinforcing its impressive presence.
Inside the new Outlander, the change is a leap in quality. The horizontal tail amplifies the visibility, sense of solidity, and the feeling of roominess. There is more elbow and knee room than usually found in a three-row SUV. Our attention to detail and craftsman's eye have created welcoming spaciousness, filled with the quality of hospitality.
Interior upgrades include enhanced quality everywhere, even the feel of the steering wheel and the trim.
The new user interface promises a natural, intuitive, and always exciting driving experience. Advanced graphic displays, human-centric design, detailed craftsmanship, everything is designed to make driving a true pleasure.
The infotainment system features a 12.3-inch digital driver display and a 9-inch navigation screen. Accessing information necessary for driving is now easier than ever.
The drive mode selector is newly designed. The size and unique form ensure a confident grip and operation.
The all-new Outlander is a 7-seater, unique in this class. We made it easy and convenient to reconfigure seating for your passenger and cargo needs. Cargo space is easier to use and larger than the previous Outlander. Another key feature is My Pilot Assist. Our advanced driver assistance system monitors and controls speed, following distance, and lane keeping. The all-new Outlander is equipped with other preventive safety technology above and beyond its class.